And hello there, Ultraman fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest figure standard from the Ultraman line. We have Ultraman Jack Action. Yeah, so this is the latest Ultraman coming from the Ultraman Netflix anime, which was adapted from the manga, of course. And we have here Ultraman Jack, which is the US Ultraman. And he was introduced in season 1 as part of the SSP, or some undercover agent on the US side. And then I think in season 2 or 3, I forgot which season, where he had his own Ultraman suit. And yes, that is what we see in the box art. He is one big, bulky, chunky boy. And yes, please don't mind the Japanese characters, because this is a legit Bandai Namco Bandai Spirits item. It's just that I have the Japanese version of the box art, not the English one. Anyway, so that's what we see in front of the box art. On the side, we see Ultraman Jack front and back, some gimmicks that he has, and of course that big axe. And of course we have here some other gimmicks that he has. And of course you can put an LED unit. On the other side, yep, we have Ultraman Jack, some information about him. And yes, we have here the whole cast, or all of the Ultraman in the Ultraman anime series from Netflix. And yes, I am just missing 7. Okay, now let's go and see what's inside the box. First off, we have one bag, silver and black, and some stickers. And I see some parts are taken off because of shipping. And that's what happens when it's from outside. And another bag with 2 silver sprues, another bag with 2 red sprues. Yes, of course, the Ultraman colors. We have another sprue with the effect parts, and this effect parts is still coming from Ultraman type B sprue. And of course, a new one for Jack here, which is multicolored. We see red, we see clear blue, and clear yellow. And lastly, we have one bag with 3 sprues, all gray. And we don't have the standard stand, but we have a different kind of stand this time. This is so far the only figure standard kit that didn't come with the standard stand. And of course, we have here the instruction manual. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue, but most of it is red. We have a clear yellow, clear part, and a clear blue. And yeah, don't mind that shipping. So that's the A sprue. That's what you get when you ship from overseas, but that's much better than your order being canceled. We have the B sprue here, which is all silver, standard Ultraman colors. And we have not just 1 but 2 C sprues. So yep, basically I think it's a duplicate of both. So 2 C sprues. Not that just that, we have 1 and 2 these sprues. Again, some parts are duplicates, so they made 2. But the duplication does not end there, because we also have not just 1 but 2 E sprues, which is colored black. And yes, this is, you saw some part of the axe in there. And lastly, the very last sprue is F, which is all black, and this is a very big axe. Yep. Oh yeah, before that I forgot, we do have a D1, which is the effect parts. Almost missed that. And yes, we did not have the standard stand of the Figure Standard, but we have a different kind of stand right now, which is this one. Probably this could be a better support for Ultraman Jack. And of course, we have a small sticker sheet here, mostly reds, oranges, silver, and yeah, some white. And lastly, we have some dry transfers, which if you like, you could put on him. And there you have it, Ultraman fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figure Standard Ultraman Suit Jack Action, the latest Figure Standard for the Ultraman anime adaptation from Netflix. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.